your videos description. When viewers make a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ayaz Tech. As you know, we are discussing about how we can earn from YouTube and YouTube channel. In the last video, I told you about this, and in this video we will continue of this topic and complete it. We are discussing about how we can earn through YouTube, as in which one topic is super chat and super stickers. We can earn through this on YouTube. During live streams, viewer can purchase super chats or super stickers to highlight their message or show support for the channel. Creator receive a share of the revenue generated from super chats and super stickers. This feature is a great way to engage with your audience during live broadcast and earn extra income. Next one is sponsorship and brand deals. As your channel grows, you may attract sponsorship opportunities from brand or companies looking to collaborate with content creators. Sponsored content involving promoting products and exchange for a fee or other compensations. Be transparent with your audience about sponsored content and ensure that it aligns with your channel's content and values. Next way in which we can earn through affiliating marketing. You can also earn through affiliate marketing by promoting product or services in your videos and including affiliate links in your videos description. When viewers make a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission from the sale. Choose product or service that are relevant to your audience and provide value to them. Next point is crowdfunding platform. Some creators use crowdfunding platform like Patreon, Coffee, or Buy Me a Coffee to receive financial support from their viewers. You can offer exclusive perks behind the scenes content or early access to videos to incentivize viewers to become patrons or make one-time donations. Next point through we can earn is collaborations and sponsored content. Collaborating with other YouTubers or brands can also a source of income. You may receive payments for sponsored videos, products placements, and make sure to disclose any sponsored content to maintain transparency with your audience. Consistent content creation and engagement is also a source of earning. Uh, Ultimately, the key of earning through your YouTube channel is to consistency, create high quality content that resonate with your audience, engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and building a community around your channel. The more engaged and loyal your audience is, the more opportunities you have to monetize your content effectively. Remember that building a successful YouTube partner channel and earning as income inquiries requires time, effort, and dedication. It's essential to focus on create valuable content, building a loyal audience, and drives monetization strategies to maximize your earning potential. These are always in which through we can earn from YouTube. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my